Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting review for you, especially if you're into 3D animation and rendering. We'll be talking about the Jumper Laptop S5, which is making waves as one of the best laptops for 3D animation rendering in the market. Stick around as we dive deep into its features and performance. Let's get started. But before we jump into the details, let's see what's inside the box. Upon opening the box, you'll find the Jumper Laptop S5, a user manual, and the charger. Now, let's move on to the laptop's key features. The Jumper Laptop S5 is powered by an Intel Celeron quad-core processor, ensuring excellent performance for your daily work and light entertainment tasks. With 12GB of LPDDR4 RAM and a spacious 512GB SSD, you have enough memory and storage space to handle multitasking and store your important files. Plus, it supports up to a 256GB TF card expansion. The laptop features a stunning 14-inch 1080p Full HD IPS screen with a 16:9 aspect ratio. This ensures a visually pleasing experience for web browsing and document work. Weighing just 1.2 kilograms and measuring 1.5 centimeters thick, this laptop is incredibly slim and portable. It's perfect for those on the go, thanks to its 4,800 mAh lithium-ion battery that offers long-lasting performance. The Jumper Laptop S5 offers versatile connectivity with Bluetooth 4.0, fast dual-band Wi-Fi, mini HDMI, headphone jack, USB 3.0, and micro TF slot. It's designed to meet your life and work requirements. Now, let's talk about the laptop's performance and software. The Jumper Laptop S5 comes pre-installed with Windows 11, making it compatible with a wide range of office and productivity software. Whether you're working on 3D animations, video editing, or other creative tasks, this laptop has you covered. But what really sets this laptop apart is its prowess in 3D animation rendering. With its quad-core processor and ample memory, it handles 3D rendering with ease. Let's dive into a 3D animation rendering test to see how it performs. As you can see, the Jumper Laptop S5 handles 3D animation rendering smoothly, thanks to its powerful hardware and Windows 11 compatibility. In conclusion, the Jumper Laptop S5 is an excellent choice for those looking for a laptop that excels in 3D animation rendering while also being lightweight and portable for on-the-go productivity. With its impressive performance, ample memory, and crystal-clear display, it's a versatile laptop that won't disappoint. That's it for today's review. If you're interested in the Jumper Laptop S5 or want to learn more about other tech products, make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and tech updates. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.